Hey guys, it's Mel. So I've hit a really rough patch. I just literally, like, my arms and legs hurt so badly, I just want to rip them off. But at the same time, I just know that God has a plan, and besides this, He's been making it really easy for me. So I'm really blessed of that, and I'm really thankful. But I will not lie, it's really tough. So please, keep praying for me, and I know that I'm gonna get through this, and there's no turning back. My dad told me, was telling me about a story, and I did some research on it too, and I've heard it before, but if you've ever heard the saying, burn the ships, and it comes from the legend of Hernando Cortez, who went and took about 400 or 500 men to what's now Mexico, and there are different parts of the story, but the one I choose to believe is that he turned to his men and said, burn the ships, and they looked at him like he was crazy, because then they'd be stuck there. Oh gosh. But he was basically making a statement that we're here now, we're not going back, there's no defeat, no failure. So that's what I'm clinging to, and the fact that I'm putting this out there for you guys to see, that's my way of burning the ships, that I can't go back. So I'm gonna get through this, and with God's help I can do anything. So